Well, in this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix the tow bar lock mechanism. In this case, this part here was broken and it was apart from this part. So I changed, or I'm gonna change the whole lock mechanism because it's very small place here and it cannot be welded. Maybe it's not gonna hold and it's not gonna sit inside after welding. It needs like grinding and yeah, much work. So yeah, and it's always better to have the new part because the metal will be stronger, because that old metal may be weakened after like many times of use. So it's gonna be sitting like this. This thing sits inside and the plastic ball is to the upside and it's gonna be pushed the whole way. Let's remove the spring for now. It's gonna be pushed with this spring in the whole way there, here, and this is gonna be sitting like this. This is the plastic like base, and here is how it's gonna be sitting. This gonna be pushed there. So yeah, we can put maybe the plastic thing first. So, and it's gonna be sitting like this and pushed to the back. So you can undo the lock, and at the same time when you take this back, the whole thing will like release a bit, so you will have more access to like fix this or like to undo this screw. So when you undo this screw, when you are done, you need to push this to the inside, and as I said, the spring is gonna be inside, so it's gonna be hard a bit, but it's better to push it, otherwise it may fly and it's sitting hard, so be careful. You have to push it, and at the same time you can just pull out this and it's gonna go out like easy. So when everything is out, you can clean the whole thing from the inside and this part and the spring and like everything. So this is the new part, and I used some lithium spray, lithium grease spray inside because it's easier to get inside, and at the same time, yeah, it's not very hard parts that are sitting here. But this is the hard thing, and it's better to use grease here, like thick grease, normal grease. If you use WD-40 or something like that, it may help, but it's not gonna hold that long as grease. So when reinstalling this, this gonna be sitting like this. The plastic ball here, or like the plastic thing here, is gonna be sitting to the upside, and then this gonna be pushed the whole way in until we see this the hole. You saw it. So when you are holding this inside, you can put this in place and then tighten the screw to 11 Newton meters. I'm gonna use some thread lock, but only a bit. It's not like holding the whole thing, but it's better like to be sure that it's sitting good. And this is how you do this thing, this service maybe, or like how to fix this tow bar. But first, like, it's better to check everything, that everything is okay and everything is in a good condition. If the spring is still strong, and if this part here is not broken and everything is okay, then you know the pull to the upside. So yeah, then you know that, yeah, you can fix it. So yeah, I'm gonna put the new part in the description, the new part number, so you know which thing you can order. To this Brink, it's called, like, the brand is Brink, and yeah, every part has its like specific lock mechanism. So yeah, and then keep in mind to keep this protected by this plastic cover and to keep it clean and lubricated. So yeah, so it doesn't like get weakened by like the dirt or like that on the road, because it's sitting like in the outside and everything from the wheels maybe coming to it. So yeah, so this is the whole thing. After you tighten this to 11 Newton meters, you will see that this part here, this first lock, we can say, number one, it's gonna be sitting maybe a bit weird, so you will notice that it's like not moving, but it's only when it's like pushed to the outside. But when this come to the inside like that, it's gonna go back. See? But now, yeah, we want it like in service mode maybe. When you remove the old screw, you may use such a socket or like a head, because like it's gonna be easy to get inside there because it's broken. But with the new one, like, the hole here is not that wide, so when I tighten this, I'm gonna use only this part or this tool. So